Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Would you like to discover your very own superpower? Believe it or not, you've had it all the time. You just never used it. Book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com or send me a text message on 07801 543 515. This is the Learn Develop Live podcast with your 1 minute motivation. And here is your quote for today. You know you're an adult when you get excited about opening a new sponge for the kitchen sink. Whether it's plastic containers, buying a new bath mat, crossing the jobs off the list for the day, an empty email box, and indeed, a brand new sponge for the sink. The things that excite us as an adult will completely surprise you. We all have to grow up at some point. Our perceptions of things will definitely change. So why not just call it SpongeBob and embrace this brand new chapter in your life?
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.